In today's video, I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use in conjunction with this website right here that is going to help you download YouTube thumbnail. And I'm also going to show you how to use this website in conjunction with Pinterest to start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and if you are interested in that stuff, then make sure to look around the channel. There are other interesting videos as well. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. So before you do anything, the first thing you want to do is you want to look for a niche that needs a solution. You want to look for niches like how to lose weight, how to build confidence, how to get out of depression. So niches like this are solving a problem. Okay, so these are the type of niches that you are going to be able to get conversions from, because this type of niches, these people are looking to solve their problems. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to youtube.com and then you want to look for videos like this, like I mentioned, niches that are solving problems. All right, so for instance, this is an example right here which says how to lose belly fat in 1 week. All right, so once you type that on YouTube, you are going to see a bunch of videos that you can choose from. All right, so I'm not suggesting you steal anybody's video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this method effectively. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on any of this video right here. So once you do that, then you want to copy the URL of the video, and then you want to go over to this website right here, and then you want to paste the URL in this box. All right, so once you click on that, you will be able to download the thumbnail of this video. So once you have the thumbnail of this video downloaded, all you just need to do is right click on it and then save it to your device. So once you have it downloaded, then you want to head over to Google and you want to type in play button PNG. All right, so there are a lot of play button PNG that you can download, and don't worry, I am going to show you the reason why you need to do this. So once you have the PNG downloaded, then you want to head over to canva.com, and once you've done that, you want to click on this section that says customize size, and you want to type in 1920 by 1080p pixels. All right, and then you want to click on this desktop wallpaper. All right, so once you've done that, you are going to be brought to a page that looks like this. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is import the thumbnail you just downloaded and the PNG play button you just downloaded. So once you have that, all you need to do is drag this thumbnail to this Canva right here, and also as you can see, this is the PNG icon right here. So all you just need to do is place it in the middle of this thumbnail right here. Okay, so once you've done that, all you just need to do is to download this image like this. You don't need to do anything else from this. So if you click on this share right here, you are going to click on this download button and it's going to get downloaded right away. So once you have it downloaded, the next thing you want to do now is you want to create a landing page. All right, as you can see, this is a very simple landing page that I created on Breezy. You don't have to use breezy.io if you don't want to. You can virtually use any free landing page software. All right, so once you have a landing page software that you want to use, all you just need to do is type in the title of the video. As you can see right here, this video has amassed over 13 million views. So what you want to do, you want to type in the title of this video and you want to click on watch below. All right, and then you want to have the image of the thumbnail right here, and you want to leave a button here which says click here. And then once you've done that, you want to head over to your CPA account and then you want to go to the content locker section. So once you go to the content locker section, then you want to make a content locker. So if you click on create a content locker, all you just need to do is you want to grab the link of this video. All right, and then you want to paste the link of this video in this redirect URL right here. Okay, and then you want to give your content locker any name of your choice. Okay, so once you've done basically everything, all you just need to do is click on save. So once you click on save, so all you need to do is click on view details and you will be able to get the content locker link. And once you do that, all you just need to do is paste the link in this button right here. All right, so once you've done that, anybody that comes to this page and click on this click here, they will be redirected to watch this YouTube video. And before they do so, they will have to complete your CPA offers. All right, so now I am going to show you how to drive traffic. All you just basically need to do is go to Pinterest, and you want to click on this plus button right here and click on create pin. So once you click on create pin right here, all you just basically need to do is you want to grab your Breezy link and you want to paste it right here, okay, which is the landing page we made right here on Breezy or whatever landing page software you are using. All you just need to do is paste in the link to the landing page right here, and then you want to paste in the title of this video right here. Okay, so once you've done that, like I said, you want to paste the link to your landing page right here. Okay, so this is where you are going to leave a link to your landing page. All right, so this is where you'll be directing the traffic. As you can see, it says not a valid URL. So if I come right here, all I just need to do is save this page. And once I save that, click on publish page, and then once that is published, then I go back to the dashboard, and then all I just need to do is grab this link and then paste the link right here. All right, so basically you can give it a better name. All right, so once you've done that, and also you want to make a board that is related to the niche. All right, as you can see, this one says giveaway, so we can't use giveaway. You basically have to create a new board that says probably weight loss. All right, so once I create that board, all I just need to do is click on save. All right, so basically this is all you need to do for whatever niche that you find. All right, so basically this is the same process for whatever niche that you decide to work with. So like I said, if you come back to Breezy and if you click on this link right here, you can see that this link brings us to this page right here. Okay, and also you can see if they try to click on this image to view the video, they won't be able to. All they just need to do is click on your link right here, and once they click on this link, it's going to take them to a content locker. As you can see right here, this is the content locker after clicking on that link. So basically they have to complete CPA offers to get redirected to watch the video. And another thing you can do is you can customize this link to look even better. All right, so basically you can click on this subdomain right here. All right, and you can type in lose fat 101. As you can see, this domain name is available. So basically if I click on this link again, as you can see right here, we have losefat101.breezy.site, and this link you can share anywhere on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, anywhere. It's not going to get banned. All right, so basically this is all you need to do once you create your landing page. And also, like I said in the beginning of this video, you can apply this strategy for any niche as long as that niche is a problem niche. Okay, this is how you are going to get faster conversion, because these people want to solve their problem. So once you go to YouTube, you can see this video has gotten a lot of views already. So basically if they come over to this video, they will be able to watch a video on how to lose belly fat at home. So basically you are providing them solution to their problem while they complete your content locker. So literally everybody wins. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in this comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.